Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever and whenever you're connecting. I'm happy to have you today. I'm happy to host this quick video for you. Actually, we wanted to enable you to understand what is the guest journey, what is the user experience of the service provider toolbox, what you can expect from it in terms of content, what is the registration process, what are the steps you should consider before entering the platform. And yeah, let's move on. I will just open my browser and show you how it looks and what's there. Is to type the following URL, https://serviceprovider.cambium.networks. From there, you are landing on this page. It says, welcome to Cambium Network Service Provider Toolbox. And there's a message next to it, 3 steps to enjoy the Service Provider Toolbox. Actually, why did we mention this? Because it's a process that you need to follow and respect to make sure that you can enter into the platform. First, you need to request a company account. How do you do that? Well, you just click here to request an account. You click there, and you will be prompted with a form to fill regarding your business activity, in which kind of environment you're deploying equipment, whether or not you're already working with Cambium, what are your product of interest, what is your business size. From there, we will receive your application, we will review it, for sure, there's no reason for, we will approve it, and once approved, you will receive an email. And only then, when you receive an email, knowing that your company is registered into the platform, you need to click again on click here to request an account, this time for your personal account, your personal use. So you will click again, you will enter the email with the same domain name that you have registered for your company, and you will have automatically access on behalf of your company to the platform, creating your own password, meaning that every single employee of your company could create his own user account. Let me use mine to show you how it works and get in. This is where we're ending. We're ending on a page where actually you see in the very middle a carousel playing automatically the latest messages you should hear about us on pending service, pending promotions, partners you should consider, the latest information. So you can either just watch this carousel, with the automatic display, or move it at your path. If you look at the dashboard, on the very left hand, you have a menu section showing every single section. The dashboard is where we stand, actually. Training course is the second section, technical database the third, regulation and association, sales material, playbooks, shared toolbox content, and calendar. So if you want to click on one section, and this is what we will do shortly, you will end in this section. However, you have the opportunity already to scroll down the screen and see that you have some boxes, some more boxes, if we scroll down the arrow, and some quick links. All of those are actually, actionable boxes where you just click and open a new page on your browser. So if I do right here on link planner, for example, well, that will automatically open another page in the browser, and I could go back and same for every single item that you will see around here. Scroll down more, you will see the calendar events. So the next upcoming events where Cambium is involved, Cambium as an organizer or Cambium as one of the participants of the event. Next one, as you could see, are Cambium Connection mid-September and Cambium attendance at Wispapalooza mid-October. You can pin some content, and I will show you, what kind of content you can pin. It's actually all the content available on the platform could be highlighted in this section for your eyes only. You will see here all the popular contents. Well, the content that people are spontaneously or more generously watching, and then the latest content, so new content recently added. So we have some sales material, regulation and association material, playbooks, and so on. But we can go through all of that. You will end on the second section of the website. You will see a lot of material there. All of them are videos. You could see that, be training video, but this one is onboarding. Why? Because it actually, explains to you, what's there, what to be found in this. Those are extracts from the learning management system of Cambium. So should you have already credentials to log in on the Cambium Network LMS, well, stick to this. But this section is really, to give some appetite for the service provider not knowing yet the learning management system of Cambium and wishing to understand what's there for them. So this is typically it. We have picked some elements of the learning management system and hosted them for your eyes only on the service provider toolbox. Our aim is actually to load in this section some exclusive material, and we will do so as well for all the webinars that we are giving from time to time in region, and that we will translate white papers or translate into English if given in a different language. Technical database. This database is actually showing a lot of purchasing guide to help you with picking the right mounting brackets, power accessories, LPU, or parabolic antenna. But it actually shows all the data sheets for every single product in our portfolio, from the core products, PTP, PMP, to the enterprise Wi-Fi and switching. So I can just move from a page to another and show you what's there. Take the ePMP 3000. Well, you have a data sheet behind, and if you click, it will automatically open a page for you. So you can just watch it, read it through, and of course download it on your computer. You also see recommended assets, meaning other content of interest for you that you may want to look at. You can share the document that you're watching on our social networks or by email, or just create a playbook, meaning create a personal folder where you're storing everything handy for you. If I go back again on the technical database, you have different ways of surfing the available content. You can filter it by type. So if you look for PMP in particular, and click filter, you will only see PMP related content. Regulation and association is the next section, where you will see interesting content about the regulatory status, country by country, showing, take this one for example, spectrum regulation in Poland. It will show you who's the regulator that you should connect with, should you ask for a license in the country. It will show you who's our team in the region, or a regional technical manager or a regional sales manager. And probably even more interesting for you, the entire spectrum available in the country, and whether it's free to use, licensed or unlicensed, or restricted, and for which reason. And next to that, we will show what are the products from Cambium that you can use within this given band. This section actually also shows some interesting content regarding associations. There are a lot of associations in the world and in our region in particular around internet service providers' interest, WISP related activities, and we are highlighting all those information that we are connected with somehow, showing their logo as well as their website for you to connect with. And we are showing next to their name the scope of their activity, whether it's the entire EU or only a country, South Africa, Poland, Czech Republic, for example. Sales materials section. This one is actually, I would say, the voice of customer, showing what are the use cases for our products in given verticals, in given countries, for a particular target. So Wi-Fi for you is a big target for us. We have been very active with our partners, with our point-to-point, point-to-multipoint, but also Wi-Fi equipment connecting citizens of entire Europe. But you will find in this section case study, based on equipment from our different portfolios, CN Pilot, Xeris, EPMP, and so on. So let me click through. We have a few pages, as you could notice. They are registered by environment, by type of product. You will see all the brochures for a given market, the video surveillance, given product or environment. Here we have solutions for rail, solution for oil and gas, and so on. So it's a lot of material. It's interesting to go through. You can again filter all the content by the type of material you're looking for: one pager, institution slide deck, industry report, by product, or by type of interest. So let's see, in a broadband access network, what could we find behind filter? And here it is. So there's a lot of content. We're trying to add some more every week, and this is meant, to ease your understanding of the use cases of our products. Playbooks, we could also call them folders. They're actually regrouping all the information on a given topic in the same folder. So Wi-Fi for you, for example, I click this one. I have all the related assets around this topic. So this one is an industry report, for example. If I click on it, I will be able to download the entire. This is a PDF. The entire PDF given during one of our last partner events. What you are offered with is actually to create a bio. So you have to edit your bio, and then you add a new message. And this message could be just a welcome message saying that you are happy to share some documents with a given partner, a given end customer. But this is to ease your communication, sharing information from us. Calendar section, but with more information and ability to see what's coming for the entire coming year. So here you have an invite for the Cambium connection. You have the web link you can click on. You can view the event and so on. So let me go back to the dashboard and show you what we have left behind, what we're still missing. So what's there for you? We have the partner ID. This is the service provider ID that you have been given when your company has been approved in the system. Referral URL link. So this link you can click on, and this is a link you can give to invite other service provider to connect on the platform. You will see your name, your profile, your company, your activity against the other employees of your company, the ability to share the content, contact us, and below your name, a number of points. So you will be accumulating points when you open documents, download documents, share them with someone outside the platform, and so on. Here you have a small bell showing notification, if any. If you will have any, well, you will see a red dot next to it. And we have a social networks section. This one actually shows all the employees or connection of viewers on the platform. And the social logins of Cambium. Those are the tweets of Cambium, all the recent one after the other. But you can also check our Facebook account, our LinkedIn account, or Instagram account. This is it. This was, I believe, a quick tour showing you, what's there. But everything, is clickable, actionable, trending promotion. See, I'm clicking and I'm ending on our website. So we have exactly the same behavior for each action item on the platform. It's easy, it's handy. I believe the content store is relevant, and I really want to hear your feedback about this. Should you face any issue registering, should you wish to find additional content, well, this is the same email address you should consider, service provider at cambiumnetworks.com, and you will have an answer within a very short notice. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for having taken the time to watch this video. I hope it was useful. I hope it gave you, if you're not registered yet, the willingness to do so. And I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye. Thank you.